Okay, so after aligning and cropping the E pattern for your template, as you can see, we have more artboards here that we don't need. We only need 1, 2, 3, 4, total 8 artboards here, okay? I'm going to show you how to remove these pages, okay? First of all, I am going to lock that A-line skirt layer. Then I'm going to click on, you see right here, this is artboard. And as you can see, we have 30 artboards in total and we only need 8. And each artboard comes with number. Let's say number 1 is artboard number 1. As you can see, this highlight kind of darker compared to the one that we're not on. Right there, right there. So you have an idea. We're gonna have to delete this page right here, right here. First of all, I want to delete number 10 to 30. So to do so, come over here, click artboard number 10, press down Shift on your keyboard, and then click number 30, then come down here to this delete icon, click on it to delete. After that, now look, you see this dark gray area? That's where the artboard located. This right here, right there, it's a border, it's not artboard, okay? Let me show you. If I hide this border layer, see right there, no artboard. And Adobe Illustrator only print anything that on artboards. So you don't have to worry about this number or this border because only print anything that on the artboards itself. Okay. Next, I'm going to also delete this right here, number 5. Again, come back over here and I'm going to select number 5. Then come down here to this delete icon and click delete. Okay. So after we delete number 5, we want to rename our artboard's number, okay? So let's say, for example, I'm click on number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, then number 5. See, number 5 artboard, it has to name number 5, not number 6. So I'm going to double click on it to name 5, then press the tab key on the keyboard, and then number 7. I'm going to name, to change this 7 match this number, okay? I'm going to change it to 6. Press return, enter, and then click on it, and then name these 2, 7. Then come over here, click on it again, double click on it, then name it to 8. Then press return, enter on your keyboard. So now we just change this artboard. Now it's matched 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to just zoom in a little bit. And I'm going to pan over and come over here. Next, I'm going to change this number that we have it earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, to do that, I'm going to this number. Click unlock. Just click on that lock to lock or unlock right there. And then you come over here. I'm going to the typing tool. Then, again, make sure you select that layer before it works. And go to the typing tool and then type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then press escape on the keyboard to get out the typing tool. Okay. Again, if it is still confused with this number, I recommend you come over here and click hide this. You see this border layer, and then click hide this number layer. And now, as you can see, we have total of 8 artboards. be sure to click that eye icon to show it back. Again, as I mentioned earlier, Adobe Illustrator only prints everything that on the artboard, so you don't have to bother about anything out that not on the artboard. Okay?